Good evening. Welcome back to In the Khud. This is December 21st, 2022, 7:24 p.m. and today's day, if I had to summarize, okay, Notion is not on. By the way, one thing you see is I'm using the stylus to navigate around, not using the pen. I was just thinking about this right now that I am way too comfortable with using the mouse. Like everything I do interacting with the system is through the mouse. Right now, it's a little bit of a learning curve to getting used to using the stylus, but it's worth it. It'll pay off in the long run because it'll help me with 2D frame by frame drawings and animations and also for sculpting, obviously. So woke up at 7:30 today. I did my morning schedule. So it's one of those days where you wake up and you basically cannot stay up. Your eyes are like continuously trying to shut. And even the 7:30 waking up situation was because Snowy was fiddling with my door, so that's why I knew that I need to get up. So I got up, I did the morning schedule, and I was so like it was just so sleepy situation that I just slept. I don't know. 10:30 I woke up, then I took Snowy down. I not eat an oatmeal today. Man, har baar hota hai. Yeah, I did not eat the oatmeal today and straight away ate the noon breakfast that I do. Now 12:35 today seems very gloomy, not feeling the strength or inspiration to do anything particular. Spend some time trying to figure why the damn loop is not working in the pop script. So I think yesterday's episode I talked about this pop script situation not working, and I spent like I think 30, 35, 40 minutes, put it into a function, tried a lot of things. It is just not working, man. I don't know what the problem is. The worst part is everything else is working in that transform effect except for scale, and that too in a loop. So the fact that this problem is so specific, it just makes it very difficult to like find a solution online, because such specific problems people don't usually run into, which I am running into. Of course, it's programming, it's logic, it's machine, it's got something to do with something. As of now, I haven't been able to figure that. So 1356 saw two fantastic sculpting videos by Grant Abbott, one on making the general human base mesh and one for getting the head proportions right. You really need to follow along these videos. I understand everything that's been done in the video, but there'll be a lot more I will learn and run into issues when I'm actually following along. So 1357, now switching to uploading remaining episodes of show 2, which I did. Then 1520 completed episodes uploading, and now switching to video edit. I did that one edit for the full-time job. Edit as in I just know one way to edit, like have a music track, take out the beats of the track, add markers, and then edit that video to the beat of the music. That's all that was. Then 1717, none of the video, switching to Grant Abbott's base mesh tutorial. And I don't think 1717, I was just spending a lot more time doing some things here and there, but this is my progress right now with the base mesh tutorial. Of course, I haven't even gone in and I've just applied the skin modifier here, but I haven't even gone in and done anything to these as of. Let me go in here to the sculpt mode, and yeah, this part like looks a bit weird, the base part. Oh my god, what is happening here? So yeah, with sculpting, one definite route I want to take from here going forward is one, of course, complete these Grant Abbott tutorials. They're very nice to follow along and stuff. There's a lot you can learn, but really start following the sculpting course that I have for CG Boost and just step by step do what is in the course. Like even though he's making a dinosaur or a cute creature, whatever it is that he's doing, just try following that along. Yeah, even here I think that the skin modifier is just one of the ways to do it, but I don't think it's the ideal way to do it. Like the base mesh should be having something that resembles your torso already, like so you don't have to do so much of stretching and then remeshing and stuff. So I think Zach in the course does something like he adds cubes and stuff, and then he does only for the tail he uses skill modifier. So basically following the course is what I need to do. And other than that, yeah, as I said, I'm trying to get familiar with the stylus and be able to like help me with frame by frame animations and everything in the sculpting itself. Other than that, I don't have anything else to document today. Again, this was one of those days that just passes by, and yeah, you don't quite understand where things are going, how things are going, but that is one of the important premises of In the Khud. Is I feel like life just goes past by, and when I do a session like this, even if it's like just 5 minutes of putting the camera on and recording, it gives me some form of context, like some form of clarity as to where or in which direction life is headed. So that is amazing. Thanks so much for being In the Khud. I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.